Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how you can download Hamster Kombat on your Android phone. So now let's proceed. Now, in case you do not know, Hamster Kombat will pay soon. So if you're a newcomer, it is important for you to start now to have Hamster Kombat on your phone and start mining and start tapping. So now let's proceed. Head over to Play Store for Android users. If you're an Android user, head over to Play Store. Now on Play Store, this is what you're going to do. On the search tab, let me show you something. When you type Hamster Kombat, on the search tab, you're going to see Hamster Kombat mining, my hamster pet. Please and please do not download any Hamster Kombat you see on Play Store to avoid scam or any other thing. So these platforms could scam you or do you something worse. So in order to download the right Hamster Kombat on your Android phone, this is what you're going to do. You're going to download Telegram. You're going to download Telegram first. In case you do not have Telegram, just search for Telegram on the Play Store. Then you download it. For me, I've already downloaded my Telegram, so there's no need to download again. But in case you do not have Telegram on your Android phone, please download the Android version on Telegram on your Android phone. So after downloading, you're going to head straight to the Telegram that you have just downloaded. As you can see, I'm on the Telegram app already. So now on this Telegram app, what you are going to do after downloading it, what you're going to do is to search for Hamster Kombat on the search tab at the right side of the platform. Now what you're going to do now is type Hamster Kombat. Now on the process of typing Hamster Kombat, you're going to see Hamster Kombat. Please enter the one with the blue tick. That is the real Hamster Kombat, the one with the blue tick. So that is the verified Hamster Kombat boot. So just click on it. You're going to see start on it. Start. Then click on the start. Now a message is going to pop out telling you to play in one click. Just click play in one click. Then wait for it to load. Now as you can see, I'm on Hamster Kombat already. So that is it. That is how you can get Hamster Kombat on your Android phone. Please do not download the ones on the Play Store because those ones are not the real one. To get the Hamster Kombat, you have to get it on Telegram app. So if you do exactly what I tell you, you're going to get Hamster Kombat on your Android phone immediately. So that is it for now. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because more updates will be coming out, and I am going to give you these updates that will make you cash out successfully from Hamster Kombat. So thank you. Do not forget to share this to others because many people are looking for ways to access this Hamster Kombat.